What made you upset today? Getting ice cream with my boyfriend and getting totally embarrassed by a female staff member who worked there. Now, I'm not usually someone who gets jealous, but this girl was taking things a bit too far. My boyfriend is super friendly and good looking. Sometimes people take this the wrong way. My boyfriend asked some questions about the size of the ice cream. He got a large size with 2 different flavors. When she handed him the ice cream, she winked and said, "You look really familiar. Have I seen you before?" Which I know is a standard pickup line. My boyfriend replied, "I don't think so," and looked the other way. Then she asked if I wanted anything. I asked for the exact same flavors and size as my boyfriend. Then she proceeded to give me half the size. Then she asked my boyfriend if they will be together or separate. He said it would be together. She gave me a dirty look, and upon giving him the receipt, she said, "Oh wait, I have something else to give you. Let me write it on the back of this receipt." It was her phone number. My boyfriend said he wouldn't be needing it and to have a nice day. I was pretty upset, but of course was too polite to tell the lady anything.